In this video, we'll demonstrate how to remove tax inclusion from your Shopify product page. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to remove tax inclusion, and feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in trying out Shopify for your e-commerce needs, click the link in the description to get started. Let's start by navigating to the back end of your Shopify store. Locate the Settings option in the bottom left corner and click on it. Then, scroll down until you find Taxes and click on that section. Within the tax settings, you'll see different tax regions. Scroll further down to find Tax Calculations and look for the option Show all prices with tax included. Simply click on this to disable it, then proceed to click Save in the top right corner. This action will remove tax inclusion from your product pages. That's it. You've successfully removed tax inclusion from your Shopify store. If this tutorial was helpful, please take a moment to like and consider subscribing for more content like this. If you're interested in trying out Shopify for your e-commerce needs, click the link in the description to get started. For additional tutorials, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com. Thank you for watching. Your support is truly appreciated.